We strongly believe in the saying, if you don't have an assistant, you are one. Let's face it, doing $6 an hour tasks yourself is like putting a $6 per hour price tag on your time. Our virtual assistants, specializing in social media management, SEO, video editing, and more, are available from just $6 per hour. Schedule a call now via the link in the description.
Welcome to the world of virtual assistants, a modern-day game changer for businesses big and small. If you've ever felt like juggling too many tasks, running out of time, or struggling to focus on growth strategy, it's probably time to bring in virtual assistants. So, let's unpack how virtual assistants can help you grow your business. First off, what is a virtual assistant? Picture this. It's like having an extra pair of hands, except these hands could be on the other side of the globe. A virtual assistant, or a VA, is a remote professional who takes care of specific tasks for your business. And no, they're not robots. They're real people, skilled, professional, and available to support your operations. Now, let's talk about where a VA can fit into your business. Virtual assistants are incredibly versatile. They can handle your administrative tasks like scheduling meetings, managing your inbox, or data entry so you don't have to. That's hours of time saved for you to focus on. Let's say launching the next product or brainstorming your next big idea. Next up, customer service. If you're running an online store or a service-based business, chances are you deal with a lot of customer inquiries. Virtual assistants can take care of those emails, live chats, and support tickets while maintaining your brand's tone and quality. Happy customers? Check. Less stress for you? Double check. Marketing is another biggie. A VA can help with everything, from managing your social media accounts to content creation and running ad campaigns. Think about it. While you're attending meetings and closing deals, your VA is ensuring that your Instagram feed looks on point or your newsletters are sent out on time. They can handle inventory management, product listings, and order fulfillment. That's right! You can focus on scaling your business while your VA takes care of the nitty-gritty. But here's where the real magic happens. Virtual assistants free you up to focus on growth. When you're not bogged down by routine tasks, you can dedicate your energy to big picture activities, building partnerships, refining your vision, or exploring new markets. And let's not forget the cost advantage. Hiring a VA is often more budget-friendly than hiring an in-house employee. No office space, no equipment. You just pay for the hours work or task completed. Here's the thing. Though virtual assistant isn't just about delegation, it's about collaboration. The more clearly you define tasks, communicate expectations, and provide feedback, the more value they bring to your business. So, in essence, virtual assistant doesn't just lighten your load, they elevate your business. It's like having a secret weapon in your corner, help you to move faster, work smarter, and grow bigger. And let's be honest, who doesn't want that?
Are you looking to outsource your work? Our skilled virtual assistants are available from just $6 per hour. Click the link in the description to schedule a call with us. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share the video. You can subscribe to our channel for more such content.